Hey everybody, happy Sunday. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend. Don't you just love Sundays? It means the markets are coming back open. Although I must say that my husband and I are actually going away for a couple days this week, and I'm going to be like out of pocket. No TV, no internet, no Wi-Fi, and probably not very good phone reception either. What am I going to do? I guess I'll survive. Anyway, I've been getting a lot of emails and questions because I just recently put together a bunch of the tools that I was using for my forward testing, and I've found a way now to upload them so that you guys can download them. And I even put together a website. Ooh, look at me go. I'm really getting fancy here. Anyway, I want to show you the website. So I'm going to take you there and show you where you can download this toolkit that I used for my forward testing, and it's there for you. I share with my community for free. So here's the little website that I created. Boy, I'm just getting so techie. I will link the URL below in the description, but it's simply forexwithjjtrader.club. So when you get on the page, you'll see that it has my picture there, and it's very simple. You can download the zip file right here. So I have a zip file that's got everything in there right now. And remember, stop back and download it again because I'm going to keep updating it and adding things to it, as I say down here. Feel free to check back. So I'm just, kind of proud of my little website here, but I hope it'll make it easy for people to find the toolkit and download it. And again, it's my gift to you, my supportive community. So anyway, you guys have a great week, and I wish you the best of trading.